This tutorial shows you how to stop others from seeing when you are active on WhatsApp from your PC. From there, open WhatsApp on your device. At this point, tap on the profile on the bottom left. After that, tap on Privacy. In the next step, look for the Last Seen and Online option. From there, tap on it and select Nobody to hide both your last seen status and online status from everyone. Once done, go back and check your WhatsApp web session on your PC to confirm your online status is no longer visible to your contacts. Following this, keep in mind that setting Last Seen to Nobody also means you will not be able to see other people's last seen or online status either. It works both ways. Finally, go back to a chat on WhatsApp web and confirm your online status is no longer showing to the person you are messaging. And that's it. If this guide helped you hide your online status on WhatsApp web, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.